Okay, we are starting container planting today. It is Friday, September 19th, I think. First up, I'm just gonna start with these little zinnias. I got them for $1 each in the Lowe's clearance section. I did have dahlias, just like also from just these tiny ones, tiny sized ones for the summer. But I'm gonna replace them with these zinnias, not hardy below 32, full sun. So these will probably just stay on this table when the umbrella's down and then up there. I think they're cute little centerpieces for when hosting or whatever. But anyway, and they have a bunch of, I got them because they have a bunch of buds coming up. So we'll get started with those. I think I'm just gonna do them in these little containers. I could stick with all terracotta, or I could do one different. Maybe I'll do all terracotta. That's kind of cute. Let's do that. Eventually, I do want to put a potting table back in our side yard, depending on how far I get this fall with all of my other projects. We'll see what we have time for. That could also be a good winter project, maybe. While it's cold, I could build it and set it up maybe for spring. That's so cute. I'm starting with these to get my mojo back because these are going to be quick and easy. These were typically $1.98, which I think is pretty reasonable. But I got them for $1. And I think actually the person at Lowe's rung me up wrong because I got these 3 other huge plants also on clearance. They were $7. So typically they're supposed to be like $3 or $4, but they rang up for only $1. So I think I got an even bigger deal. Cute. Love. I will also say I've been enjoying morning gardening a lot more because it's like 7 a.m. and it's not hot at all. Way less buggy. The lighting's a lot better. All around just great. Okay, so that's those. So now we have a cute little centerpiece. I'll leave this one here for the rest of the plantings maybe. And get rid of these.